Welcome to Learn Excel in 5-Minute Bits. In this 9th video, Formatting Cells in Excel Part 1 of 2, we'll begin to examine how to format cells in Excel. Future videos will explore additional tasks, including more formulas and functions, as well as many other tasks. Our ultimate goal is to make Excel easy to use and help you become a pro at using Excel. If you are a subscriber, we appreciate your loyalty. If not, we hope you will subscribe using the subscribe button. Subscribing is free. I've opened a pay period report file so we can see how formatting works. Formatting is basically the function of making letters and numbers in Excel look the way you want them to. Formatting does not change the contents of a cell, it just changes the appearance. We'll start our formatting with the numbers in our file. First, we'll select cells C4 through J7. Some of these cells have no entries yet, but those cells will still be formatted. Now let's click on the comma icon, which is in the numbers group right to the middle of the Home tab. The comma icon does several things. First, it changes the selected numbers to 2 decimal places and places a comma where it's needed. One thing it does that you can't easily see is that it places a space to the right of each number to allow room for the right parentheses if the number turns negative. Column C does not need to be 2 decimal places, so let's fix that. Select cells C4 through C7. Then let's find the decrease decimal tool. It is the tool 2 tools to the right of the comma, the one with 3 zeros and a little blue right arrow. Click the decrease decimal tool twice to reduce to 0 the number of decimal places for that column. Some people like the first row of a set of numbers to have a dollar sign. Let's select cells E4 through J4. Then let's click on the dollar sign, the accounting number format tool, at the left side of the numbers group on the Home tab. Now the first row of numbers have a dollar sign. Now let's type in some dates in column B. In cell B4, let's type 4/15/10. Don't worry about the pound signs. Those just mean that the column is too narrow for the number to be visible. And so when I widen the column a little bit, that number now becomes visible. In cell B5, let's type 3/22/8. In cell B6, let's type 8/13/3 and enter. In cell B7, let's just type 3/12 and enter. Notice that Excel changes 4/15/10 to 4/15/2010, etc. The one exception is the 3/12 entry. It appears as 12-MAR. If we want to change the appearance of these dates, we can use the Format Cells command. First, let's select cells B4 through B7. In the Cells group toward the right side of the Home tab, click on the Format tool, and then at the bottom of that menu, click on the Format Cells tool, and then in the resulting dialog box, click on the Number tab at the top if needed. In the category list, click on Date. Then click on the entry 03/14/12. You're not selecting that date. You are just saying you want your selected dates to appear in that format, namely 2 digits for the month, the day, and the year. And then click OK. All your dates now appear in that format. Notice that the last date where you did not type digits for the year, Excel assumes you mean the current year and chooses it automatically. Now let's look at the Merge and Center tool. We're going to center the entries in cells A1 and A2 across the entire spreadsheet. Select A1 through J1. Then click on the Merge and Center tool in the Alignment group on the Home tab. Notice that ABC Manufacturing is now centered across columns A through J. Two things to remember about how to do this. The entry to be centered must be in the leftmost cell of the selected range, and you want to select only the cells across which you want to center. Now let's select A2 through J2. Then click on the Merge and Center tool, and now Pay Period Report is now centered across columns A through J as well. This concludes this video, Formatting Cells in Excel Part 1 of 2. Remember that practicing these steps a few times will help you remember so you can use the tasks without even thinking about them. I look forward to joining you in future videos in our series called Learn Excel in 5-Minute Bits to explore the many benefits of Excel. Check out our upcoming 10th video, Formatting Cells in Excel Part 2 of 2. Thank you for watching and subscribing.